Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're embarking on a unique journey along the San Antonio River, and I'm excited to share it with you. We'll be using a Dayhan D7 folding bike and an Oru foldable kayak. Combining biking and kayaking in this way allows you to pedal upstream and paddle downstream in a fully self-supported way. Getting the kayak securely attached to the bike was the steepest part of the learning curve. I'm using two cargo straps that secure the kayak from moving both left and right and forwards and backwards. But once attached, the bike is stable and easy to ride. Besides having the right equipment, the location is obviously very important. In my case, I was staying at an RV park right next to the river. This section of the San Antonio River is called the Mission Reach, and it has a sidewalk and multiple kayak launch points, which makes it perfect for this type of adventure. Once biking to my launch point, it's time to remove the kayak from the bike, assemble the kayak, and then load the bike into the kayak. Now I'm using the same straps that held the kayak to the bike to secure the bike to the kayak. It took some trial and error to find the right location to place the bike so that it balances in the water. Once launched, the kayak handles very well. I had a little bit more weight of the bike on my left side, so I had to compensate my paddling a little to correct the imbalance. This section of the San Antonio River, which runs from just south of downtown to the Espada Dam, is about 8 miles of paddling trail. The flexibility of this setup allows you to choose whichever kayak access point you want to use to get out of the river and just get back on the bike. Once back on the bike, you have the option to visit any of the nearby Spanish Colonial Missions. The missions were built in the 1700s by the Spanish to convert native people to Christianity. The 5 missions represent the largest concentration of Spanish colonial missions in North America and are Texas's first and only UNESCO World Heritage Site. Most people who visit San Antonio will only see the touristy Riverwalk and Alamo, but with the right equipment and an adventurous spirit, you can experience the San Antonio Mission Reach in a fun and unique way.